Hey everyone, Tony here from EXI.com, and today I'm at the field with our new EXI 450 SE Pro Edition. This is very similar to the EXI Pro Edition because it features the same one-piece frame and the same landing gears, except on this SE Edition, it comes with a one-piece plastic landing gear. The tail servo holder back here, the tail servo mount is not metal, it's plastic, but it works very nice and solid. Also, the fins are all plastic. And what makes this helicopter different than the other EXI 450 Pro is that this helicopter uses the regular old EXI head, as you can see here. Same swash plate and the same tail setup as the older EXI, but the frame is upgraded now. And for the electronics, I'm using a Scorpion 6 motor, which has to find out Scorpion. And the servos I'm using are the T-Pro SG90S servos, which is the faster servo. And the battery that powers this motor is the blue light post that you can find at hobbyparts.com, and this is the 2200 pack, and this is a 25C, and I haven't had any trouble with this 25C pack yet with the Scorpion 6. So as long as you guys don't, do some crazy 3D, this pack will handle the Scorpion 6 motor just fine. And for the gyro back here, I'm using the Curtis Youngblood Mini G gyro, and for the tail servo combo, I'm using a Futaba 9257. So that's pretty much it about the electronics and everything. And also my DX7 for the radio. And enough of me talking, let's fly. And also it's a little windy here today, so the wind's blowing all different directions, so excuse my flying today, guys. So I'm going to show you guys some little basic flying. You'll just hover, flips here and there. Show you guys what this new EXI SE Pro Edition can do. So let's go. Right now I'm just in normal mode. Yeah, it's very windy here today. I'm going to put in the idle L1 with my 70% throttle curve. Alrighty guys, that was a little basic flight. This is actually the third real flight that I had on this helicopter, and it flies very nice. Also, I forgot to mention that I'm using a 40 amp ESC, and this is a no-name brand at the moment because the ESC I'm using right now, it's currently a sample, kind of a prototype that we're working with. So, but currently it's working real good with the Scorpion 6 motor. Barely hot at all. It's kind of warm, but it's not like burning hot because I can still hold my hand on there. Battery's not even puffed at all. And let me unplug it real quick just to be safe. Turn off my radio, save some battery. And there you go, guys. That was pretty much it. Scorpion 6 motor, plenty of power. For some of you guys, for some of you 3D guys out there, I love this Scorpion 6 motor. The only downside about this motor is that you get less flight time because I'm only limited to a 4-minute flight time with the Scorpion 6 motor, but you guys can find other motors out there. But this this EXI 450 SE Pro is meant to be more for the intermediate flyers instead of the 3D pilots because of the head design. But there's some tips too when you guys are building this helicopter. For the servo arms, I found out that if you use the distance from the center of the servo to the ball length, get a little closer, kind of hard to explain. All right, here we go, guys. From the center of the screw to the ball, I found on this EXI 450 SE Pro that you would have to mount the ball 10.5 millimeters away from the center or the screw of the servo arm, because if you used 15 millimeter distance like the other 450 Pro, it would not work because the arms are not parallel. So with the 10.5 millimeter distance for the ball right here on the Cyclics, that will help you achieve a parallel setup with the swash plate, and it makes the helicopter fly a lot better when you're doing 3D, because when you're setting up these helicopters, you want these links to be straight up and down with the swash plate, because this is the older swash plate and it's not as wide as the 450 Pro edition with the wider swash plate, because this is the older swash plate style. But as you guys can see, plenty of cyclics, plenty of pitch. The most I was able to get was 12 degrees on the pitch, and as you guys can see, 12 degrees on the pitch is perfect on the collective and everything. And for the cyclics, I'm running about 7 to 7.5 degrees on the cyclics, and it's plenty enough of these stock paddles. If you guys want faster cyclics, you can always put more, bump it to 8 degrees, or even use the lighter, like more lightweight paddles for faster cyclics. But I found out, just with this setup, flies really good. The tail holds pretty rock solid. I wanted to do a few hurricane setups today, but it's kind of windy and I wasn't feeling comfortable, so I didn't attempt to try. So I just went up, did a few those rainbows, kind of going up, just kind of come down a little bit. So nothing too fancy, so the video is kind of boring this time, but just want to show you guys what this helicopter is capable of. So that's pretty much it of this little flight review of the EXI 450 SE Pro Edition. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for some more following flight reviews coming up. So thanks for watching.